Got this today. Stick 225, runs on 110, 120, 240, Harbor Freight, right at $300. I'm gonna unbox it to see what all it looks like. And then we got some nice ugly scrap metal and we're gonna see how good it welds. Okay. 120, 240 selector, amperage. It's got an overheat dial here. I've not ever used this one, but I have seen one similar to this. You don't get a lot of duty cycle out of them, which is just the little bit you'll get before it kills itself to save itself. All right, so I went ahead and took the liberty of untying all your lead, so you guys didn't have to watch me struggle with that. But here's your ground. It's not a bad little ground. It's got some nice copper lining in there. I mean, just for, you know, what it is. Not too bad. And the stinger, it's a little goofy. It's kind of got a flat handle on it. They say it's a 200 amp stinger. Right into the wall, into the adapter, back here. And here's startup. Okay, lights on. There's a little click. I don't know if you can. There it goes. Inverter's firing up now. Alright, here goes nothing. Oh, that's nice. Look at this. Whew. All that ugly was from trying to run that 1/8 inch earlier. You can clearly tell where the 332 ran versus where the 1/8 inch. Porosity everywhere.